Many people ask me about truck accidents. As you know, Texas is the second largest state in the United States, and there are thousands of 18-wheeler accidents that occur on our roadways a year. I have represented literally hundreds of people that have been involved in what we call a wide right turn scenario. And the law is written in a fashion that actually protects the motorist that is passing on the right, and many people don't know that. Oftentimes accident reports are even written by the investigating officer to cite the person passing on the right of an 18-wheeler that's trying to make a right-hand turn as the responsible party. Unfortunately, what these accident reports don't tell you is that the motor carrier safety standards and regulations that govern these trucks require that these trucks maintain that right lane of travel and actually make that turn completely from that right lane of travel. So when you're faced with a scenario where a truck, an 18-wheeler, wants to make a 90-degree right-hand turn and they actually leave the right-hand lane and move to the left in order to make that turn because of the length of their vehicle, and a vehicle is passing on the right-hand side and a collision results, according to the laws, the federal laws and the state laws, it is the truck's responsibility to maintain that right lane. And therefore, oftentimes people bring to me a police report where they're cited and they receive a traffic citation for passing on the right-hand side of an 18-wheeler that is actually moved completely over to the left-hand lane in order to make that right turn. What I do is I like to investigate these accidents and help people that have been wrongly cited, who have been injured in these accidents, because the law actually, as written, is on their side. If you've been involved in an accident where you have been hit from the left-hand side by an 18-wheeler that's trying to make a wide right-hand turn, it's important that you know your rights. And your rights are dictated by the laws, the federal laws and the state laws, specifically in the state of Texas. Those laws are designed to protect you, and they are very specific in terms of the instruction that truck drivers have and must follow when making those turns. So if you believe you have been involved in an accident by a truck making a right-hand turn and colliding with your vehicle, and you believe that you've been wrongly cited, or you believe that the police officer has somehow blamed you for the accident, it's important that you understand the laws, and it's important that you understand your rights, and it's important that you consult with an attorney who understands the federal motor carrier safety standards and the regulations that govern these types of vehicles.